Want to create a smooth, modern, Spotify-style 3D carousel animation in After Effects? I'm going to show you how to build this exact effect from scratch with 0 plugins. And the best part? Once you understand this method, you can turn any set of images into a stunning 3D slider. I've already imported my logo and placed it on the timeline. Now, let's create that smooth animated gradient. Add 4-color gradient on a solid and animate all 4 points using the expression wiggle 0.1 3000. Why wiggle? Because it gives your background constant organic movement, and you'll see how this subtle motion makes the entire carousel look alive. I've created 4 media comps, each containing a different image. These will form our carousel. Let's start animating with Media 1. Drag Media 1 into your timeline and turn on 3D layer. Adjust the scale however you want, no rules here. Open position and opacity and add keyframes on both. Move forward 12 frames and add 2 more keyframes. Now place the comp at the top margin, touching the guideline. Let's rewind to 0 seconds, lift it slightly above the center and make opacity 0. Here, we're building the start of the carousel motion. Move to 1 second 12 frames, add keyframe to position, then move to 1 second 24 frames, bring comp to the center and change Z position to -300. This gives the illusion of the card coming toward the screen, like that 3D punch popular in carousel animations. Now, apply Gaussian Blur. Set the blur value to 35. Then add keyframe at 1 second 12 frames, add another at 1 second 24 frames, and set it to 0. That blur snap makes the entry feel smooth, like your image is sliding through depth. Now, move to 2 seconds 24 frames, keyframe blur, and position. Move 12 frames ahead and push the comp to the bottom margin and set Z position back to 0. Then, set blur to 35 again. Now, move ahead another 1 second, keyframe position and opacity, move 12 frames, bring comp to the center and set opacity to 0. Now the magic button, select all keyframes and press F9. This is what gives your animation smooth acceleration and slow downs, so no robotic motion. Now that Media 1 animation is ready, we'll create the carousel. Duplicate the Media 1 comp in timeline by pressing Ctrl+D. Then delete its first 2 opacity and position keyframes. Shift the remaining keyframes to 15 frame mark. Add 2 new keyframes to opacity of the first comp at 0 seconds and 15 frames. Set opacity at 0 seconds to 0. Now, move the second comp's first keyframe to match the second keyframe of comp 1. Then, duplicate the second comp twice to create the third and fourth comps. Shift third comp to begin at keyframe 3 of the layer above and repeat the same process for fourth comp. This stagger creates that beautiful, looped slideshow feel. Set the work area out point to the last keyframe of the fourth comp. Now the fun part, replacing placeholders. In the timeline, select comp 2, hold Alt, drag Media 2 from project panel onto it. Repeat the same for comp 3 with Media 3 and comp 4 with Media 4. And now you have 4 fully animated, perfectly offset, auto-looping slides. Add a drop shadow to one comp, tweak it till it feels right, then copy-paste to the rest. This tiny touch adds depth and helps the carousel pop from the background. Your entire 3D Spotify carousel is now done. Let's play it. Smooth transitions, 3D movement, dynamic blur, animated gradients. This looks exactly like those high-end promotional reels. And all of this was done with just a few smart keyframes and 0 plugins. If you want more tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and check the playlist linked below.